What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, home improvement expert from Hire It Done. I always hear from homeowners who like to tackle projects around the house themselves. That's why we've put together this do-it-yourself series to help you next time you're ready to embrace your inner weekend warrior. Hope you enjoy the video.
Hi, my name is Jeff Schluening. I'm with Everdry Waterproofing. And what we're here to do today is to take a look at a basement and help you understand some of the things that you can look for in your own home to tell if you maybe have a moisture basement problem. One of the things that we do look for are cracks in the foundation. As you can see, this is a poured wall foundation. And what we have here is a vertical crack that goes from the top of the wall all the way down to the floor. What we like to do is look for what we call the signs of moisture. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see stains coming out of the crack that indicate that there's been water leaking from this crack. Now, some people think cracking is normal. You know, a foundation person pretty much thinks there's nothing normal about it. Okay, like for instance, you can just, I shouldn't be able to stick something into a crack and have it stay there. That's not good. Okay, now, is this house falling down? Absolutely not. Okay, you know, a lot of different things cause cracks like this. Could be construction, it could be pressure from the outside, pushing on the wall. There's a lot of different causes. But what we do know is once that you have a crack in the wall, they can continue to get larger, water can come in, you can get bugs through them, and more importantly than that, you know, that's where the moisture starts to come in that can lead to things like mold, mildew, dry rot, rust, and things along those lines. What I have here is just a standard moisture meter. What it does for us is helps us find areas of excessive moisture. Okay, so if I stick this to the wall, of course we're going to find moisture. That's not a problem. Okay, it's just when it's really excessive. All right, so right here, it's reading between 50 and 70% moisture. As I get higher on the wall, it's much lower. But once I get below the soil or ground level where there's earth pressing on the wall, it starts to pick up moisture levels. We can also use a tool like this on the floor, and it has different modes, and we can test wood for moisture as well. Well, the 50% that I did pick up, you know, is not alarming to me. However, I'm looking for more of the excessive levels, the 90s, 100%, that tells us there's a lot of moisture in the wall. And the reason that's a concern is when wintertime comes and there's moisture in the wall, obviously that moisture or water will freeze, expand, and make this crack get larger. I can see some staining from some dry rot. Most likely, probably not due to a foundation problem, but it's a good example. So we'll check for soft wood, because if it's dry rotted, obviously it'll be soft. So I can feel the wood, feels good right there. You know, it's soft. It just kind of sticks. And with excessive moisture, dry rot can obviously spread. It attacks wood from the inside out, so generally by the time you see the dry rot, it's kind of too late. The wood is rotted and most likely needs to be replaced. Obviously, we want to get as much water away from the foundation as we can. In this particular case, the homeowner's done a really good job. The downspouts are extended away from the home. The grate is built up. I could see one small spot next to the gas meter that's kind of low, but really nothing that concerns me too terribly much. We do want to make sure our gutters remain clean and the water's able to flow. In this particular case, it's bent. Things could get caught up, so we want to make sure that we pull that open and allow water to drain out. Okay, so as I move around the house, I continue to look at the grade. Again, the gutter, it's extended away, looks really good. Now, when I get into this corner here, I do see this, missing mortar right here. So if water pools here, obviously that's a place for water to get in, and we don't want that. Also a place for bugs and ants and things like that. So that would be something that I'd want to have filled. So this kind of wraps up the inspection that we did on this home. Obviously, these are things that you can do yourself, look around your home, and if you have any concerns, feel free to contact HireItDone.com or Everdry Waterproofing, and we'd be more than happy to come out and do a complete inspection for you at no cost. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and click the like button. If you didn't like it, or if you think you know a better way to tackle a project, then please leave a comment for me below. And if you want more great home improvement content like this, go ahead and subscribe. As always, I'm Adam Helfman with Hire It Done, and I'll see you in the next video.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com